Hey YouTube, today we're going to make kale with apples and onions. These are my ingredients that I will be using today: chicken broth, avocado spray, a red onion, Granny Smith apple, salt, and pepper. So we're going to start off by selecting the saute button. We're going to use some oil, so we need to heat that up. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to saute the onions for about 5 minutes until they have softened. Okay, so that's about 5 minutes. So now we're going to add in the kale. This is about 12 ounces of kale. It may look like a lot, but trust me, it's not. It will cook down. So we're going to cook the kale for about 1 minute until it's slightly wilted. Okay, so now it's time to cut our apples into small pieces. Be careful not to cut your fingers doing what I'm just doing there. Okay, so now we got our apples in a bowl cut up into small pieces. We're going to add it into the mixture of the kale. And this is a ½ cup of chicken broth. Let's stir this all together. And then we're going to select the pressure cooker on high pressure and cook this for 3 minutes. Okay, so it's done. Release the pressure, and then I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. See how much it cooked down? Remember, in the beginning it was all the way up at the top, so it cooked down a lot. This is a whole bag of kale. It doesn't even look like a lot. But this is what happens when food is reduced to a small amount. Okay, this stem is what I'm talking about with the fresh kale. If you buy fresh kale, make sure you cut that stem off. This was already chopped in a bag, and I thought it wasn't going to have the stems on them. This is a nice side dish that gives a little sweetness to your vegetables with the apples. If you make this, let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.